This is a project I started in October 2020. I had an interest to design my own guitar effects pedals, like a preamplifier using vacuum tubes. The kinds of circuits I was looking to build would need the 6.3 volts for the filament and about 200 to 300 volts for the plate. But all I had to work with was a bench power supply that puts out low voltage. Here I have two adjustable dual tracking output voltages that go up to about 15 volts. I found some examples of other designs that made use of a 555 to switch the inductor and create a sort of boost converter. This is the schematic I ended up using. Most of the parts were chosen because they were the values I happened to have. When the 555 turns the MOSFET on, it connects the inductor to ground, saturating the inductor core. When the 555 turns off, the energy stored in the inductor is passed through the diode and then stored in the output capacitor. The feedback NPN transistor senses the output voltage and adjusts the duty cycle from the 555. The variable resistor allows us to adjust the voltage from about 40 to 450 volts. The unit draws about 100 milliamps at 9 volts and puts out about 350 volts with no load attached. I first built it out on a breadboard, and then I assembled it onto a proto board. Having the module let me focus on building amplifier circuits, as it was one less variable to troubleshoot when things were not working. I later designed and printed a circuit board using smaller surface mount components where possible. This time, some of them are even mounted on the bottom. The unit is now small enough to fit in a regular guitar pedal-sized box. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.